I started working on a shamrock and a crack engraving on stone and realized that it could be interesting for someone else. I already created a depth map for the shamrock, so let's step back to see how I did it. First, I found and downloaded a shamrock image from Canva. Next, I created the depth map for it. To do this, open a new project, click on the AI icon, find the embossment option, upload the image, and click the Generate button. When done, you can check the result in the 3D preview. Next, I need to expand the black background to be able to add the crack mask. I believe it's possible to do this in xTool's Creative Space, but I've only had the xTool for 1 week and am not familiar with all its features yet. So, for me, it's more handy to use Affinity Photo for this step. When done, upload the image to xTool Creative Space, upload the crack image, and create the mask. Resize and position it to your liking. Next, choose the embossment process option. For stone, I use the material settings for a rock coaster. Connect your laser, find the stone you want to engrave, and place it on the laser bed. Adjust the laser height and click the camera icon to refresh the background. Now you can position your design on the stone. When done, use the framing tool to check if everything looks good and make any adjustments if necessary. Finally, hit the Start button, engrave the stone, and enjoy the result.